Hello dear friends, welcome to part 2 of our lesson on Metastock system tester. In our previous discussion, we had created a particular trading strategy and tested it with the enhanced system tester in Metastock, and it was based on a simple idea of whenever prices are closing above two moving averages, suppose 15-day and 30-day, we are buying, and when prices are closing below both the moving averages, we are selling. Now the question is, where do we get these numbers 15 and 30, or the other number that we tested like 50 and 100? We are using this number arbitrarily. So the point is, we need to know where these numbers are coming from, or even there are better numbers, better pair of moving averages. So that is called optimization, and in this particular lesson we are going to learn how to do optimization in Metastock, right? If we have a particular trading idea but we do not know which parameters or which values of the parameters we are going to use, then we have to do optimization. So this is how we optimize the values here. We are using a different function called OPT1. We are using the OPT1 and OPT2 as the short and long term moving averages, and we are replacing the numbers with OPT1 and OPT2. That is the optimized value 1 and optimized value 2. And we are doing the same here with the sell signal 1, and we are just replacing them. Here we go. So we have not given any particular number. We have just told Metastock, we are actually telling Metastock, you give me the number, and I have given you the trading strategy. To do that, we are just going to the optimization bar here, and whenever I wrote OPT1 and OPT2, these numbers are entered here. We just have to give the values. So we have selected OPT1 and we are editing it. So we have to give it a name here, suppose moving average 1, and we have to give it a range because it cannot test indefinitely. So our minimum value will be, say, 10-day moving average, right? So we will start our testing with 10-day moving averages and go till 30-day moving averages in steps of 2, like 10, 20, 10, 12, 14, 16, like this. So there will be 11 tests, okay? It is showing. And we also have to optimize the second parameter here. So we are selecting it and editing it. We are giving it a name as moving average 2, and its minimum value, say we do it from 50 till 100, and in steps of 10, like 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So there will be 6 moving averages. So 6 values of second parameter and 11 values of first parameters. We get total 66 trades. So 11 multiplied by 6, we will get total 66 trades, and this is being shown here, right? So Metastock will do all the 66 trades and it will show us the best results, and we will get our best parameters from here, the best values of moving averages. And that is what optimization is all about. It is not possible to do it manually, but Metastock can do this for us, provided you do the coding properly. So let us proceed. As usual, we are doing only long only trades, so there is no short trades, okay? So we are back to our original control panel. We are selecting this moving average system. Now we will start the simulation, this one, the Z dual moving average system. We are going to next. we are selecting Nifty, and in our previous lesson we saw 250 period candle. We did this test on 250 period candle. Now let us, just for sake of example, let us do some playing around with this, and let us make it bigger. Suppose 2 years worth of data, suppose 500, right? 500. So it will run its test on 2 years worth of data, approximately 500 candles. This is I did just to show you how to change the number of bars. Okay, and we are back to this. Now it is showing 500 periods. We are going next. Now here we are doing points only test. We are creating a long portfolio, and here this keep the 100 most profitable results. This is very important because we know there will be 66 trades, so that number 66 trades will all be contained if we keep the 100 most profitable results for each optimized system. Otherwise, if we give here a number which is less than 66, then all the results will not be shown. So I am keeping a number which is sufficiently big, the total number of tests here. Okay, so we proceed, and this is where our test begins. So everything is okay, 500 periods prior to May 25th 2022, and we are starting it, and okay, it will see that it is doing the calculations, and here it is offering us the result, view results. And here are the results. So you can see Metastock has done 66 tests here with the various combination of moving averages that we had assigned it, and the results in a nutshell are also provided, and these are the values of the optimized 1 and optimized 2 variables. So 10-day moving average and 50-day moving average, 12 and 50, all these parameters, the 66 combinations are here. Now let us look at the result. Although this is showing only the profits and losses, but there are few things that we can take home. First is that all the tests are profitable. So we can say that over a long period of time, whatever philosophy that we are testing, that is a good philosophy, good trading strategy. Even if we cannot spot the best, the sweetest combination of the moving average pairs, still there is a fair chance that we will end up making a profit if we actually trade this system. Now there are many parameters, but here the maximum profitable region is being shown. So we can see that around 39 to 41 profit is maximum. Here profit is increasing, and there is a sudden drop in profit from this level. So 39 to 43 is the most optimized values. So let us see what were the parameters in 39 to 43 tests. So here we go in these parameters. So here it is. So we see that from 39 to 43, the bigger moving average is constant. Okay, so it is the 80-day moving average. So there is a sense of satisfaction here that there is no wide change in the value of the bigger moving average, and also there is a sense of satisfaction here because these values are also very close to each other, the value of the short-term moving average. Okay, so 20, 22, 24, all these are short-term moving averages. So even if we take the maximum one or the middle one, suppose 22 and 80-day combination, if we take 22 and 80-day combination, and we can plot it on chart, and it will show us the equity curve. Here it is. So this is the equity curve on the past 2 years. The profit is approximately 4,349 points. So this is quite a good profit, and this entire movement has been captured. But first of all, let me change this parameter to 22. Short term is 22 and the longer term is 80. Here it is. So let us first verify the signals. So in this candle, prices have closed above both the moving averages and the system is buying on the next day's open. So the green arrow signifies a buy signal. It is placed properly, and here it is closing below the both moving averages, and we are selling on the previous day's following day's opening. So okay, the signals are showing properly, and see, if you are following a long only trading system and prices are not rising, there is no way you can make profit. But when the market condition is adverse, how less you lose, that is most important, right? And this system is not losing a great amount, right? Its maximum profit was 61 to 25, that is 6,100 points, and now it is at 4,300 points. So Nifty has fallen more than that, right? So it is quite an acceptable system, but there are definitely other parameters that I am not in a position to discuss right now. But this is how the things go. There are other parameters as well to check, but the objective of this lesson was to show you how to do optimization in system testing. So that's it, how it is done. So I can always go back to my original system, and here it is. So here is the result, and anyway, I can pick any one of them, and suppose the one that we had chosen earlier, and view the result in more details. So total profit is this many points. Total trades was 7 in this period, which is good, because less is the number of trades, more efficient the system is. Total profitable trades are 2 and unprofitable trades are 5. This is also acceptable. This is around 40% success rate, and you cannot expect a better efficiency, better percentage rate with a trend following approach. This is 40% is pretty good enough. Okay. Average profit, average loss, all these parameters have to be examined properly, and I don't have time in this lesson to explain all these parameters, but this is just the way things are done in Metastock. So you can see that Metastock has all this capability to do this. You just have to code it properly, and it will give you some surprising results. I mean, you will be very satisfied with whatever it will offer you in terms of at least the system testing. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed these 2 little lessons on system testing, and you will do more system tests on your part, because system testing is definitely one of the greatest virtues or one of the greatest skills a trader can have. So goodbye, and see you soon on next tutorial on Metastock. Thank you.